I hope you guys had a great hump day and welcome to Cosmic Chick. So what I got for you guys now is this Dollar Tree DIY that I did today. Basically, I'm just tired of like going through this little bin that I have for my eyebrow pencils and tools and also like my mascara. So I wanted to create something that I can find what I'm looking for really quick and easy, and I'm gonna show you guys just how I did this really quick. It didn't even take me long at all. So this is all that I used for this project, and I didn't even need to use the other bags of gems. Only one was needed. So the first thing I did was measure how much of the diamond adhesive wrap that I was gonna need, and I just lined it up along the jar and just kind of marked it with my finger. That way I can cut it even. Then once it was cut, I just took it and placed it along the jar again just to make sure that it was going to fit evenly and it was going to cover the entire jar. This diamond wrap already has the adhesive on it, so I just peeled that off and then um, slowly started to apply it so that way everything was laying nice and smooth and really even. Then I just did that all the way around until the beginning touched the end. And then I just went back over it and kind of like pressed it just to make sure everything was in place. And I wanted to use the gems just so my eye makeup tools were not just like touching the bare bottom of it, and also to give it a more prettier, cooler look. I added in my everyday I use tools, and this is what it turned out like. So this was super easy, and it's really gonna help me in the long run when I need to get to my makeup and find what I need really quickly and get the job done. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Always remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share, and I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.